Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a C++ programming language course. So this is our first video, and in this first video we will learn what is programming language. It is important to know what is a programming language before studying any other programming language. Like other languages, computer languages is the way to communicate with the computer. Programming languages are computers' languages which they understand. We humans understand English language or other language, like that computer only understand programming languages. Computer programs are written in a programming language. Programmers write instruction or programs in various programming languages. Because there is different types of programming languages. In this way, we tell the computer to do a specific task or operations. There are three levels of programming languages: machine language, assembly language, high-level language. Machine language. Machine language is a natural language or native language of a computer. Computer only understands a machine language. Machine language consists of two strings or two instructions, 1 and 0. Machine languages are machine dependent because machine language code only understand or run on one machine, and machine language can be used only one type of computer. Assembly language. Assembly language is a low-level programming language for a computer. Assembler converts assembly language programs to machine language. As I said before, computer only understand machine language 1 and 0. So computer cannot understand assembly language code. So we use assemblers. Assemblers convert assembly code into machine code so computer can run it. Assembly language, also called symbolic machine code, because we use the instructions in assembly language are called symbolic. We use symbolic codes in assembly language. Assembly language are particularly computer architecture specific. High-level language. High-level languages are nearly human languages. We can understand easily because they have lot of English phrases in high-level languages. It makes us easy to understand. High-level languages are portable, and we require compilers or interpreters to run high-level languages. As I discussed before, computer only understand machine language, so we can use compilers or interpreters to run high-level languages. Compilers or interpreters convert high-level language into machine language so computer can understand. C++, C#, Java are mostly used high-level languages.